We hope that the evaluation of the medical experts will prove that we are right in our submissions. We work with that man on a daily basis, and we find it extremely difficult because of the impediments that he's facing.
Sir, at this rate, no, it's already December 1st. Is it safe to say that, okay, for Christmas he will be staying there for sure at the penitentiary?
Unfortunately, that would appear to be the case.
Okay.
And I say unfortunately.
Yeah. And is there now other plans? Because like for the Filipinos, it's quite a huge thing. It's a lot. The clamor, for him spending Christmas at home, say in the Philippines. What do you expect now for Christmas? Does he say anything about it? Yeah.
He wishes to spend Christmas with his family, as anyone would want to spend Christmas.
Yeah.
On the actual Christmas day itself, Boxing Day,
Yeah.
these are official court holidays, so no visits unfortunately are allowed at all.
Oh.
However, we are going to try and change that.
Okay.
Because we believe that the former president should be with his family on Christmas, and we will fight for that.
Yeah, yeah.
What the court decides, obviously, is a different matter.
Yeah.
Mga kapuso, ano na nga ba ang mangyayari doon sa kaso ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte dito sa ICC? Kanina sa aming panayam kay Atty. Nicolas Copa ng kanyang lead defense counsel, sinabi niya na sa December 5, lalabas yung resulta ng medical examination ng mga doktor na accredited ng ICC sa dating Pangulo. Umaasa raw sila na yung mga resulta na yun na lalabas ay aayon dun sa mga dokumentong kanilang isinumite dati sa ICC. Yun nga lang daw, sinasabi ni Atty. Copa na unfortunately na ang magiging kaso ay dito magpapasko ang dating Pangulo sa ICC Detention Center. Meron naman daw siyang karapatan para mabisita ng spiritual guide. Pero ang inilalaban daw ng kanilang kampo ay magkaroon ng pagkakataon yung kanyang pamilya na makabisita dito sa araw ng Pasko. Ayaw raw maging optimistic ni Atty. Copa at ng kanilang team, pero yun daw ang kanilang ilalaban sa mga susunod na araw. At hinihintay rin nila ang magiging sagot ng ICC tungkol doon sa apilan nila sa challenge ng jurisdiction ng ICC tungkol doon sa kaso ng dating Pangulo. Ang sabi ni Atty. Kaufman ay hinihintay raw nila ang information kung kailan lalabas yung araw o yung petsa ng hearing doon sa apilan nila. Pero inaasahan niya na pagkatapos ng holiday break, so maaaring sa early January ito nila malaman. At yan ang aantabayan na natin sa mga susunod na araw. Yan muna ang latest dito sa The Hague, sa The Netherlands. Ako po si Andy Peña Forte III, nag-uulat para sa GMA Integrated News.